pay a rapid attention as we move on with this video. This is the concluding part of the quadratic equation, whereby we'll be looking at the two other methods that we can use in solving quadratic equation. The quadratic formula, completing the square method. And if you look at the board, we have the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. As we move on in this video, I want you to pay your attention and get your writing materials ready as we proceed. Viewers at home, we are moving to the first concept I mentioned earlier, the quadratic formula. Now we have quadratic equation written on the board. We have 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 equals to 0. And as I've rightly stated, if you are using the quadratic formula is written as x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2a. If you compare this quadratic formula with this equation given to us to solve, we have 5x squared plus 9x minus 2. From the equation given to us, our a is 5, our b is plus 9, and our c is minus 2. It is very easy to use the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations that are not factorizable. Now, looking at this quadratic formula written on the board, we are just going to put those values inside the formula. Now we have x will be minus plus 9 plus or minus square root plus 9 squared minus 4 times, what is our a? 5 times, what is our c? Minus 2. Everything over 2 times, what is our a? 5. I hope you guys at home, you are looking at what I'm solving, and I want you to pay attention. Now, minus times plus is going to give us minus 9 plus or minus square root plus 9 squared, that is 81, minus open bracket 4 times 5, that's 20, times minus 2, that is minus 40 over 10. Now we have x equals to minus 9 plus or minus square root 81 plus 40, everything over 10. Now x is now minus 9 plus or minus square root 121 divided by 10. Now we have x is now minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 121 is 11 divided by 10. Now we have to split it. It will now be x equals to minus 9 plus 11 over 10, or minus 9 minus 11 over 10. What is minus 9 plus 11? That is 2 over 10, or minus 9 minus 11, that is minus 20 over 10. 2 will divide itself 1, 2 will go in 10, 5, 10 here 1, then 10 here 2. Our final answer will be 1 over 5 or minus 2. We have successfully used the quadratic formula to solve the equation given 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 equals to 0, and this is our answer. x equals to 1 over 5 or minus 2. See you in the next concept. Viewers at home, we are now at the concluding part of the quadratic equation. This is another method that we can use to solve any quadratic equation that is not factorizable. Looking at the question given to us, we have to solve 5x squared equals to 7x plus 3. Before we can proceed, let's rearrange. What did I say, viewers at home? Let's rearrange. Rearrange. Now we have our 5x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. We have successfully rearranged this equation to make it a quadratic equation in the real nature. Now when you want to make use of the completing the square method, I will call your attention, viewers at home. Look at this. Look at our, compare it with ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now looking at this, your a, for you to use completing the square method, you have to ensure that the coefficient of your highest degree of unknown, which is x squared, must be 1. And how are you going to make this x squared coefficient to be 1? You use the method divide through by 5. Now we have 5x squared over 5 minus 7x over 5 minus 3 over 5 equals to 0. You divide through. Now we are left with x squared minus 7x over 5. You pick the constant and take it to the other side after the equals to sign. Now we have 3 over 5. Viewers at home, we are using the completing the square method. Now looking at x squared minus 7x over 5 equals to 3 over 5. The next step is add the half of the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. What I mean, we can see that this is the coefficient of x. We are to add the half of it and square it. We are to add it to both sides. Let's move on. We now have x squared minus 7x over 5 plus. Now half of this is minus 7 over 5 times 1 over 2. That will give us minus 7 over 10. Then you square it because we have to add the square of the half of the coefficient of x to both sides. And we have 3. We have 3 over 5 plus minus 7 over 10 squared. Viewers at home, it is very simple. I hope you are following me. Now we have done what this asks us to do. Now the next step is for you to comparing the squares. Comparing what? The squares. Comparing the squares. We now have x squared minus 7 over 10 squared equals to 3 over 5 plus minus 7 times minus 7, that's 49 over 100. Comparing the squares, we are going to look for the LCM. And what is the LCM of 5 and 100? We have 100. How many 5 can you see in 100? That is 20. 20 times 3, that is 60. How many 100 in 100? That's 1. 1 times 49, that's 49. Now we have x minus 7 over 10, then square. What is 60 plus 49? That will give us 109 over 100. X minus 7 over 10, then we are going to look for the square root both sides. That will now be x minus 7 over 10 equals to plus or minus square root 109 over 100. That will be x equals to 7 over 10 equals to plus or minus, what is the square root of 109? That's 10.4 over 10. Now x will be 7 over 10 plus or minus 10.4 over 10. Now we now have x equals to 7 plus 10.4 over 10, or 7 minus 10.4 over 10. What is 7 plus 10.4? X. Now what is 10? X is equal to 17.4 over 10, or minus 3.4 over 10. Now 17.4 divided by 10, x is going to be 1.74 or minus 0.34. Viewers at home, I believe we have been able to make the concept of quadratic equation more understandable. See you in our subsequent videos.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share. Bye.